this corporeal body. The body, there is self within it. The owner of the house is within this house. The house is separate and owner of the house is separate. This body is like a house. In this body, that is the owner, that is called Dehi, the spirit soul within this body. That body, that spirit soul, which is now encased in this body, gross and subtle body, that enslaved jiva, whose mind is always disturbed. Why? Because accepting the non-eternal things of the body, thinking that I am this temporary body, this physical body, I am this body, misconception of self, and thinking all others related to this body is mine. This sort of wrong conception. Accepting the non-eternal relations and non-eternal body, his mind is always disturbed, always worried, tremendously. For such a enslaved jiva, I think it is sadhu. What is sadhu? Tat sadhu vanne shuravarjudehinam. He is addressing his father not as father. What is it? Papa. Papa? What do you say?
Papa, Daddy.
Daddy? Papa? Daddy. Now Papa is archaic. It's not used now. Daddy is used. Daddy. But Prahlad did not use the word daddy. Shuravarja or Shuravarja, or chief of the demons, without addressing father, daddy, or chief of the demons. Why? Demons do not like sadhu. They are just the opposite. They are hostile to sadhu. And being the chief of the demons, he wants to know what is sadhu. It is very strange, very surprising. To express that surprise, he has addressed his father not as daddy, but as chief of demons. Tat sadhu mane shuravarjudehina. Sada sambhukunda dhiya asadgurat. Due to acceptance of the non-eternal things, always that conditioned soul is in disturbance, extreme disturbance and extreme restlessness of mind. For that reason, I think that is sadhu. Hitvatma grihandakupam. Giving up the connection with the house. What kind of house? Andhakup. What is the meaning of andhakup? Kup means well. Andhakup means sealed well. There is no water in the well. If there is no water in the well, drinking water, nobody will go there. And even if he falls into that well, he will have no chance of being rescued, because nobody is going there. If there is no drinking water in that well, nobody goes there. Or it is dry well. This is called sealed well. When there is drinking water, many people go there to take water, and if anybody falls down, any person or any beast, then those persons will try to rescue them. There is a fall. If no persons are going, then that will be the cause of his death. He will not be able to climb up. A person who falls down, he cannot climb up by his own effort from the well. Like this. We should give up such house where there is no sadhus have set their holy prints in the house. That house is sealed well. Where there are no adoration of the sadhus, no respect for the sadhus. Sadhus do not go to their house.